How to control app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to use the function of control app on Android, just like you do on your laptop or your desktop, you just need to launch the Google Chrome over here. So as to do that, you need to tap on the search bar and search for the website that you want to search or use the control app function on. So over here, I've already selected the website. Now what you need to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Then here, scroll down, tap on the option of find in page. So tap on find in page and here you'll be able to see the search bar. So tap on the word or the phrase that you would want to search for. I'm gonna just type in the word and it will be highlighted as an orange or yellowish over here, highlighted text over here at the mid bottom over here. So this is how you'll be able to use the control app function on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification. See you next time.